Hello everyone, welcome to my 12th video lecture on infinite series. In the previous video we have discussed about two important tests, namely the ratio test and Rabb's test, in order to determine the nature of the given series of positive terms. In this video let us discuss about the Cauchy's root test. As we have seen in the ratio test, we were considering the ratio of the terms un plus 1 and un. So the name was ratio test for that reason, because in that case we were considering the ratio of the n plus 1th term and nth term, and then we were taking the limit of this as n tending towards infinity. So because of this fact, the name was ratio test. And now we shall have an important test, which is the root test. So here what should be done? We have to take the root of the nth term. So if summation un is the given series of positive terms where un is the nth term, first job is to write down the nth term and take the nth root of un. So we have to take root. The name of the test is root test, Cauchy's root test. So we have to take the nth root of this particular term. So nth root is denoted by whole to the power n. Whole to the power 1 by n. Just like the square. For example, 2 to the power 1 by 2 stands for root of 2, that is square root of 2. 2 to the power 1 by 3 represents cube root of 2, and so on. Nth root of un is un to the power 1 by n. So therefore we have to consider the nth root of un, and then we have to take limit on that. So the principle of Cauchy's root test is to take limit of the nth root of un, that is un to the power 1 by n, limit as n tending to infinity. We have to evaluate this limit if the answer is a finite quantity L, where L is a finite quantity, and depending upon the value so obtained, we conclude whether the given series is convergent or divergent. Then the given series summation un converges. So there are two possibilities: one is convergent, another one is divergent. So given series summation un converges if the value of the limit so obtained, that is L, is less than 1, and it is divergent. The given series is divergent if the value of the limit L is greater than 1, and the test fails when L is equal to 1. So it is an important note we have to make here. When L is equal to 1, this is a special case. When L is equal to 1, that is the limit of un to the power 1 by n, if the answer appears to be 1, then the root test fails. So in that case we are advised to make use of either fundamental test or comparison test. So this is an important note we have to consider here. Along with this, one more note we can consider: when can we apply the root test, this particular test? This particular test is applicable when the nth term, that is un of the given series, involves the terms with power n, that is some term with whole to the power n, some term with whole to the power n square, some terms with the power n to the power 3 by 2, etc. If this type of things are appearing, then it is advised to make use of the Cauchy's root test. Now let us solve the problems where we will be using this principle to test the nature of the given series. Let us consider the first example. Here we need to find the nature of the series summation 1 plus 2 by n whole to the power n square. So here it is directly visible, the nth term un is equal to 1 plus 2 divided by n whole to the power n square. So we are observing this particular power. So in the last remark we said that whenever such power appears, it is advised to take the root test. Therefore we are now using the root test. So according to the root test, we are supposed to take whole to the power 1 by n, that is nth root of un we have to consider. So whatever term is given to us, that is nth term is given to us, on that we should take the nth root, that is we should raise the power of that by 1 by n. Now we have to simplify this according to the laws of indices. We can simplify it. This power can be taken here, a to the power m whole to the power n is a to the power m into n. So these two indices can be multiplied. So n square into 1 by n is n. So it is simply 1 plus 2 by n whole to the power n remaining after simplification. Now we have to take limit as n tending towards infinity of that term, that is un to the power 1 by n, that is this particular term. So it is limit as n tending towards infinity of, so the simplified form is here, that is 1 plus 2 by n whole to the power n. And this is again one of the standard limits, 1 plus x by n whole to the power n, as n tending to infinity is e to the power x. But here in place of x we are having 2, therefore it is e to the power 2. Since e value is 2.71828 something like that, dot dot dot, it is an irrational number, whole to the power 2, then it will be a number greater than 1 obviously. Therefore when the limit of un to the power 1 by n is greater than 1, by the so-called root test, by the Cauchy's root test, we can conclude that the given series summation un is divergent. Just now we have given the principle of the Cauchy's root test. When the limit value is greater than 1, the series diverges. When it is less than 1, the series converges. So here the answer is greater than 1, therefore our conclusion is that the series is divergent. So this completes the solution of first problem.